workshop is a mess. So in this video, I'll be doing a garage makeover or a shop makeover. I would like to call this the lovely shop, but right now it does not look so lovely. So come along with me as I revamp this shop so we can make beautiful projects out of it. If you're new here, my name is Mario and I make DIY projects and resin art videos and also just tutorials for beginners or those who just need ideas for projects that they want to execute on. So welcome if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Let's get to work because there's a lot of work to get done. This wardrobe from Facebook Marketplace. Someone was getting rid of it, so I rented a U-Haul and I want to pick it up because this has a lot of potential. It could be remodeled, so picked it up, brought it back over here, but never did anything with it. I soon will though. Tia wants it, so I'll probably make it over for her. But for now, I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm probably gonna use the wall of this over here to build out shelves for my tools. So I'm gonna move this over in that section after I get it cleaned up. That's the area that is gonna go in. So I gotta remove all of those things and then move it over there. I did measure the section. The wardrobe is 4 foot by 22, so it's gonna fit perfectly. So let's get that all tidied up. Perfectly. So I got a lot of space over here now. I don't really do too much in that space, so that being occupied over there is perfect. What I'm going to do next is move all the boxes that's over there that's in front of the panel, which is not safe. It's a hazard. I've got to clean that up. So I'm going to move everything from over there, but at least the boxes I'm putting behind this wardrobe. Those are boxes I use to ship items out. So I'm going to move that over and then figure out what I'm doing with the wood. Let's go! It broke while I was in here. It dropped and it dropped to the wrong angle. But it's something I can make again. But just gotta keep my stuff better places, of course. All the boxes are gone. Well, I threw some away and I put some behind this wardrobe. Some is also inside, which is just the small boxes. So that's squared away. I do have all the wood to still organize, but I have an idea of what I want to build to hold them. That's going to take some time. So I'm going to leave that for right now and build out some shelves on the wall right over here. I'll show you guys. I'm going to build out some shelves so I can put my tools and also to have some more spacing for items that's behind you. I'm going to fix that area next, and it's practically the storage area. I'm going to make more room and see what I can fit in there to make it look more presentable. So let's get going on the shelves. I'll be using MDF wood. It's just scrap wood that I have from the past, and it's good lengths to have some shelves there. I do have some brackets that I've just held. Honestly, it's just extra that I have in the shop. So let's get going on that. Shelves cleaned, so what I'm going to be doing is just adding 2 more shelves. Well, one long line of a shelf right here, and I'm gonna just start packing it with items that I have probably inside of my cabinet or underneath my CNC machine desk. I did start putting some power tools up here, some hand tools, and just seeing what's more feasible for me. Maybe I might move these down to the lower shelf because it's something that's more accessible or something that I use more often, or I just might use the bottom shelf for screws, nails, so I can see it easily and just sort through them when I do need them. And I do have a compressor and a shop vac that I'm going to be placing down here as well to make space on that side of the garage. So I'm going to continue pumping through. I'm going to put up the shelves, start stacking it, and we'll see how it looks. And then afterwards I'll move over to the bump out section of the garage and clean that section out and see what I could store in there to make this garage look way more presentable. Let's keep moving. I'm liking how it's going. I'm going to redirect to go over to the bump out section and have that cleaned up because that needs a lot of attention. If I find things that I can move from there and put it in a shelf, then that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's keep rolling. After having it organized. Over time, if I need to take stuff out or I guess get rid of anything that I can, then I will to make it look a little bit better, but for right now it's better than before. So I got these the same time I got this cabinet, and this is gonna go to the backyard. It doesn't have to be in a shop. Ultimately it's gonna be in the backyard. We will build a table for it just to hang out and chill, you know, if friends come over and such. So I'm gonna move that from the shop to give it more space. This is currently how everything looks. Just got a few more bags to throw out, things to move around, tables to put up, and table to center in the middle of the shop, and I should be good to go. I'm not sure if I'll be touching much of the wood for right now. I'll have to figure out a big game plan for that, but I know where everything is, and we'll go from there. Let's get these moved. Organization is complete. I am excited because I know where everything is. That's a huge plus. So as time goes on, I'm going to probably rearrange things to make it easier for me to grab things when I'm doing projects, but I'll see how that is as time goes on. For the vets who's watching this, if you have any tips for me for how to organize things a little bit better for me to be more efficient with projects, please leave a comment down below and let me know. I'll probably implement it and I greatly appreciate it. For those who made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, and now the shop is ready for the next project. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much again, and see you guys soon.